Go.
Living in a small place we call Washington. Everywhere you look, you see them pieces all around. People think and wonder why we give it such a name. We're one big happy family, no, we don't look the same. 'Cause we're the kind of people who want to live before the thing is right. And the fellow will holler, the fellow say, "Hey-oh." We the kind of people, say, "Hey-oh." We the kind of people. Yeah, we the kind of people who are chillin' our eyes, watching ladies passing by while their friends are riding by, saying, "Hey-oh." We the kind of people, saying, "Hey-oh." We the kind of people. My life's filled crazy things sometimes. I wanna stop and think of a little rhyme that speaks out for my family and all my friends who are close to me. And let's give thanks to the man above for introducing me to all the people that I love. Ever since day one, they've had my back. Every time I fell and kept me on track. There's one thing I can say, that I wish and I pray every day, that we all live life to the fullest and don't dare waste another minute. Let's cruise on this ride of life together. I swear I'm with you there forever. One moment being all said and bad is a moment of happiness that you can't have. There's ways to turn your back and laugh. There's a moment being right, it's a moment we'll have right now. And now our years going up, we've had ups and downs, but then we also have fun when we clown around. Like the times we play out after school, or maybe during class when we break those rules. I reminisce about the days we used to hang outside, then the corners to come out and we ran at night, and head home just like nothing's wrong. Start the beat to this brand new song. There's one thing I'm saying, that I wish and I pray every day, that we all live life to the fullest and don't dare waste another minute. Let's cruise on this ride of life together. I swear I'm with you there forever. One moment being all said and bad is a moment of happiness that you can't have. There's places to turn your back and laugh. There's a moment being glad, it's a moment we'll have right now.
ri-majol.